are people that have a car accident. I do a lot of car accident patients. These people have lost all their teeth and they need to get their teeth in right away. I have people that have just been missing teeth for so long, or they weren't born with, like they have congenital missing teeth. So those kind of patients come to our office looking for treatment, a fractured teeth. And then it's also patients that have loose dentures that, you know, a lot of them tell me, oh, I want to eat. I want to smile again. I want to go outside. I don't want to wear my mask anymore. I don't want to put my hand over my mouth. I get a lot of those patients, and they, you know, they have a long story, and also they want to be heard because, you know, they have this, some of them had this secret that they've been hiding for so long, and now, or they had traumas in the past, and, you know, they want to get over it by, you know, at least making themselves feel good and being able to smile again, play their instruments, go out to eat for dinner, go to restaurants like they used to. And mainly they want to just stop hiding. You know, a lot of these patients, they've been hiding. So I get a lot of those patients, and they tell me their stories, and I hear them, and I empathize with them, and I understand what they, you know, from what they tell me, what they're going through, that, you know, of course I want to help you. I want to help them, you know. It's also patients that have been wearing dentures all their life or most of their life. And also some of these patients, I have a lot of patients that are like over 60, 70 years old, that are 80s, 90s, that you know, don't have the manual dexterity to keep taking it in and off anymore. So they want something a little bit more permanent, and you know, and something that'll last, and something that they'll be proud of, and something that they, you know, been wanting for so long. They've taken care of their family already. They've already taken care of their children already. Now they've taken care of their elderly parents. So now, you know, a lot of them come and then they say, well, you know, now it's my turn. It's my turn.